All right, you're about to start a quick 10-minute workout that I pulled for you from the fitness app. Now, remember, there are free 7-minute daily workouts. You just download the app. You don't need to sign up. You get a free daily workout, 7 minutes long, little micro blast that you can do any place, anytime, anywhere, no equipment needed. And if you want to check out the other features that the app has to offer, there's a free trial. So you can check out the meal plans, all the different trainers, all the different workouts. There's meditation on there, there's sleep support, community, of course. I'm there. Make that better. So the link is in the comments. Try it if so inclined and enjoy this workout. All right, let's get that sweat on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's warm up before we get to work. All right, high knees. Keep going, you got this. Make sure to pump the opposite arm and the opposite leg. Soft landing, slightly bent knee on the balls of your feet. Pick those knees up as high as you can. Time for cat-cow in table. Two circuits. Show me good mornings. Ready, set, go. Left leg. When doing ready, set, go, make sure that you're alternating opposite arm and opposite foot. Try to stabilize throughout the entire exercise. If you need to modify, you can tap your foot in between reps. Okay, pop up front kick, left leg. Pop up front kick is a great move for your lower body, your glutes and your quads. With a pop up front kick, you want to think about generating explosive power to get up and off the ground, and then decelerating your momentum to control your body as you lower back down to the starting position. Okay, long jump, run around. Jump as far forward as possible. Accelerate and explode, decelerate and stabilize. Let your upper body lead your lower body. Focus on landing softly. Show me good morning. Time for ready, set, go. Right leg. Ready, set, go is tough because it requires stability and strength. If you're having a hard time with this move, you can tap the back foot to the ground instead of balancing the entire time. Ready, set, go really works the quads and the glutes. It's a challenging move because it requires stability and strength. All right, now pop up front kick, right leg. Long jump, run around. Jump as far as you can. As soon as your feet hit the ground, immediately run around in a half circle back to the start position. Allow your arms to lead your legs. This is your last circuit. Give me everything you've got. Okay, alternating leg press in bear. Leg press in bear challenges the hell out of your balance and your stability. Make sure that your palms are flat and directly underneath the shoulders. Make sure whenever you're in bear, your spine is neutral. Here we go. Reverse plank to modified bow. Think about the muscles that are working. Keep the chin off the chest. Squeeze your glutes as tight as you can. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips up. All right, Superman swimmers. This move is really challenging because we're maintaining a constant contraction throughout the entire exercise. Here's why I love this move. You know those two dimples that go right where your lower back meets the top of your butt? This is the move, people. This is the move. Time for plank butt kicks. I want you to find a good rhythm that works for you and keep your movements smooth and consistent. Make sure to keep your arms strong, quads engaged, pulling your belly button up to the spine. Heels to bum. Okay, alternating leg press in bear. I love this exercise because it's conditioning your core, chest, shoulders, triceps, and glutes. In bear, try to keep your knees about an inch off of the ground. This way you really engage your core. Here we go. Reverse plank to modified bow. Squeeze your glutes. Chin is off the chest. Use control. Squeeze your glutes and engage your hamstrings. All right, Superman swimmers. Raise your legs off the ground. Make sure not to lift your head up and strain your neck. Lift off of the floor. Time for plank butt kicks. Stay steady, stay strong. You can do this. even in your butt kicks, I want to make sure that your tailbone's tucked and your belly button's drawn in. Don't allow your lower back to sag. Way to push through today's workout. You did awesome. Keep up that great work. I'll see you next time.